I've been doing everything completely different these last few weeks. I've been on a totally different operating system. Before, I was waking up, going right into work, reacting to everything. Things would spike my stress levels. I'd get an email, I'd get a call, I'd get a message. It'd spike my emotions. It would spike my stress. I was trying to be the problem solver for everything in both businesses. I wasn't trusting my leaders enough to be able to do their jobs. And so my new operating system I've been on recently, I'm prioritizing my health. I'm making sure that my physical body is at the forefront. If I make tons and tons and bukus of dollars, it means nothing if my health goes to crap. The other thing is I'm trusting in my people more. I'm letting them solve problems more. And I'm spending more time building relationships deeper with those people, connecting with them more, and investing more in them. And unlocking what I can be for them as a trainer, as a coach, as a mentor, as an advisor. That's what I'm operating on now. So if that's something that's a struggle for you, maybe think about your operating system, how you've been doing business. Is it broken? Do you need to fix it? If so, go change it.